Well, hi y'all, what is up and welcome to the channel. Alex and I are out here in Weatherford, Texas today. We just had an awesome dumpster dive and now we're gonna go around and see the town. I already want to cross right here and go to this mural.
That's this building.
Oh wow, that is the building. Texas Land Co. And we're gonna go check out the courthouse over there as well. Right now we're just kind of walking around and seeing what we see. That's cool.
That's what they make here.
That is still what they make here, you're right. Monuments, is that like another word for tombstones? Wow, Rollins Monuments since 1884.
Monument dumpster diving.
It is kind of nice. Nice stone. Oh look, they use it for the
That's
landscaping.
actually cool. Very resourceful.
Way to go, Rollins.
Yeah, that's 1884.
1884 is before this courthouse was built. When we get up here, I'm going to talk about that for a second.
Y'all get ready.
So this courthouse that you see in the downtown is actually the 4th courthouse that has been built here in Weatherford. The two buildings prior to this one burned down, both under questionable circumstances. And the first one, I don't remember what happened to that one.
I think it was just replaced because it was made out of wood.
Oh, it was, that's right. And now this one is built out of limestone that came from a quarry here in Parker County, where Weatherford, Texas is. It's really pretty. It's super different from most of the courthouses that we see in small towns in Texas. I think we saw online it's French style architecture. There's where we had our breakfast this morning. Whistle Hills.
5 out of 5 stars.
Yes. Biscuits, 10 out of 10 stars. And here's the Bennett's, which we saw one of these in Mineral Wells. They're office supply companies. I kind of want to walk down that way.
Yeah, we can.
It is a lot of antique shops. It's kind of common in small towns like this.
Alright.
We went in.
We did. We made some purchases.
Here's their cool truck. Also, the purchases in front of the cool truck.
Got on Miss B's.
Voted best in Parker County.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, we got one religious fan for all your outdoor revivals. Oh, on the back. We got a second religious fan, 1979. And we got one cassette of spooky sounds.
That's right, we did.
Quite the haul.
Can't be trusted in an antique store, I guess. No. Getting goofy stuff.
Yeah. We're headed to get some coffees now. We got what we like to call GSCs this morning, which is just gas station coffee. Then we had more coffee at the Whistle Hills Cafe, but we're kind of crashing. So, Ironworks Coffee. Let's get more. Oh wow. Thank y'all. Y'all enjoy it. Thanks.
And it's like maybe one way. Alright, folks. We're headed back to the truck. And we're gonna head around this town. Just drifting and driving and seeing what we find.
Yep.
No diving, just driving.
No diving, just driving.
Every dude in this town has a white hat and sunglasses.
Really?
Yeah, I just saw 4 of them.
Really?
There's one in there, I don't know if you can see. There's one right there walking by.
I do see him.
And then there's another guy. Oh, he's walking behind me. He's about to walk behind the truck. And got him. There's another one just walked in.
You need to switch your cap. They can tell you're not a local.
I'm telling you, y'all, Weatherford boys. Here's a little something about Weatherford boys. They wear white baseball caps and sunglasses on Saturdays. Gotta find me a white cap.
I know, we gotta go shopping.
Okay, y'all, forgot to show you this shoe repair store. There's their sign that it says fell down. But I love all these old little signs. Sorry, we're closed. This little Bones cat, and then an emergency number for shoe repair is iconic. No credit cards or debit cards, which is cool. Closed due to family illness. A little note left for them. Very small town, which is rad. An open store, open for business, even though their sign fell down. More shoe repairs, and you can kind of see inside. I think, yeah.
Oh, it's tiny.
Yeah, it's a tiny little quaint shoe repair store. There's one that believes in Denton, not this, obviously not this one, but the Logan shoe repair is basically the same place.
Two cobblers.
2 cobblers, 2 cities, incredible.
That's where we could get the peaches.
Yeah, we'll go there. We'll go there for peaches later.
Looks like I don't see much fruit or vegetables.
Mostly flowers. They did imply that it was mostly flowers in the spring.
I definitely thought I was gonna have a peach from the peach capital of Texas.
Not today, you're not. Peachless.
Peachless in Weatherford. Okay, this street sign implied that this is the historic road through downtown.
It's like it's been here forever.
I guess. Maybe the wagons used to come down this road.
I could see that.
This is quite the large mural.
Here, do you want to show them out the window?
Yeah, look at this. Wow, it's like you can't even see it all in one clip, but those people are kind of like love at first sight. He's a Texan. You will see a man hauling watermelons and peanuts. Very Texan. Here you go. We're not sure what he's hauling, but he's doing a good job.
Got it all.
I don't think I can go straight, so I gotta turn this way. The little one-way roads in this town are kind of wild. They just go every direction they want. Oh, I liked this little bakery.
Just go one direction.
A lot more traffic than when we got here at 7 a.m.
Yeah, for real. It's coming alive.
Yes.
Weatherford's a sleepy little town in West Texas. Not really West Texas quite.
It's a good start to the video. Sleepy little town.
Sleepy little town. They take their time getting up on Saturday mornings.
They call it the Sleepy Hollow of Texas.
They sure do. The sleepy little peach pit of Northwest Texas. Weatherford.
If you watch our travel videos, you're going to be having all the wrong information on the cities.
For real, don't talk to anyone about what you learned, because we're just making it up.
Yeah.
The courthouse is nice, though.
Yeah, it is.
It is way different looking than the Denton courthouse.
Very.
It's kind of
It's nice. If this is the area where the historic homes are, historic tour. Mount Pleasant School historical marker. There's a historical school.
It's now a Baptist church, I think.
Yeah.
How does it historic as I imagined.
I know.
I feel like maybe we missed the tour.
We might have missed, but it pointed this way. Historic tour.
Okay, do a U-turn. It was down
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, another sign. We're following these signs.
This historic tour, we're gonna get there. We don't know what bit of history,
Yeah.
but there is some history.
Here's a National Guard.
It's nice, little Humvee, classy, little
Yeah.
Unimog type vehicle, classy.
Texas National Guard. Okay. Who's got something historic for us? That's an interesting house.
I like that. That's different.
Fascinating.
That's classy.
It's like a compound.
Classy compound.
Now, they were giving us signs like every 500 feet, and now we're out of signs. Oh, but I see a big tall roof. We might be headed towards some historic homes.
Over there.
Which apparently
On the
Weatherford
hill.
is known for. So, hopefully we'll find them.
I'm feeling we're going to.
I do too. Something cool probably up there.
Yeah, look at that. Maybe slow down a little bit. Historic tour to the left.
All right, new sign.
Okay.
New hint.
White the scavenger hunt.
Okay, good eye spotting that one. I would have totally missed it. Okay, that could be a historic.
I mean, those definitely are.
Oh, look, it has a plaque. Oh, it just says private property.
Look at these.
Okay, I'll turn. Oh, yeah. These are historic.
That's beautiful.
That's beautiful colors. Wow. That one's really nice. Oh, look at that archway. Beautiful. Wow, look at this one coming up. Oh, that's cool. Wow, it looked so old. Great, we found them.
I think we did. Not a bad tour.
No.
There it was, folks. That was the history tour.
That was the history tour of Weatherford.
Incredible.
Okay, we're here at the farmer's market, and we're gonna be looking for peaches, but we're pretty sure they don't have any yet, based on what we can see from driving by. He loves milk. Wow. Bunch of jellies. That's cool.
My biggest dream is to have that.
Just a barn in the backyard full of this.
Dry and peppers. That's my calling that I miss.
Lots of peaches. They give away the milk when it expires. That's really cool. There's none in here right now, but it's neat they do that. No peaches, but pickles.
I do love pickles.
And you got them ranch style?
Yeah, ranch dill chips. See how those go.
Well, they said peaches, they're not gonna have them until the second week of July. So we're pretty much a ways off from getting peaches. They did have them in jars, but it's not the same. So we got pickles digging.
Those are good.
Oh wow. The ranch is a lot more subtle than I was expecting.
It's nice.
Sometimes ranch stuff is like very ranchy. Delicious pickles. Well, is that our last stop here in Weatherford?
I think so, yeah. I mean, we might drive around, I guess. I wanted to try to find that house with the big tree.
Oh, right. On our way back from Mineral Wells, we saw this house with a giant Christmas tree in the front. Like, it's gonna be bigger than y'all are expecting. So we'll try to go find that.
Okay, here we are, folks. So, nearly got a crash. But allegedly, up this way is a massive Christmas tree. There it is. Slow down.
There it is.
There it is.
You gonna show that?
Yeah.
Look at that. Isn't it bigger than you thought it would be?
What a treat. Merry Christmas, y'all. Merry Christmas from Weatherford. That is just about gonna wrap this up. Well, Merry Christmas from Weatherford, Texas. Thank you for joining in on our tiny Texas town tour guide series, which is not what we're going to be calling it, but we started calling it that today. And we're actually coming on to the Pythian House, a local orphanage built by the Knights of Pythian. I don't remember the rest of the facts, but if we can see that, you'll get a little glimpse of it as well. It looks like a castle.
It looks like a big castle. Wow.
A castle.
I'm too scared to drive in.
Okay, she's too scared to drive in, folks.
Oh, I should have done it.
She should have done
There's
it.
another entrance.
She should have done it.
I'll do the second entrance.
Okay, she's gonna do the second entrance. She has courage.
Oh!
I don't think you're not allowed to go in.
Yeah.
I mean, we're not gonna get out.
No, I'm certain.
But I bet we could get a closer view of the big house. Right?
1825. Texas Pythian
Yeah.
Home.
Wow. Look at this thing.
Didn't you say there used to be a couple hundred children and now only 35 live here?
No, 62.
62.
Yeah, but there used to be hundreds, but then they changed the laws on how an orphanage can be run.
That's
obviously.
right. They needed more adults.
Yeah, but it is a pretty amazing building.
It really is. And the way that the architecture is so very Knights of Pythian.
Yeah. We're very familiar with the Knights of Pythian, and this is their architecture. They love this stuff.
We can
It's a
recognize
donation
it.
center.
Oh, very cool.
That's cool. Yeah, look at this place.
And the old water tower in the background. It's got some nice playgrounds. Oh, here's the historic plaque.
Yeah, the Texas Pythian House. The Texas Grand Lodge of the Knights of Pythias considered building a home for dependent widows and children as early as 1886. In 1897, the Grand Lodge Convention started a fund to establish such a home. 1905, the decision was made. 1907, I guess they started building.
52 rooms.
Wow, very cool.
Wow. It's giant, man.
Yeah, it's a massive place. Very neat, y'all.
I'm glad we pulled in.
I know, worth it. Glad you got brave.
Yeah, the channel gave me courage.
Thanks, channel.
Thanks, channel.
All right, folks, and that
Wraps up the
Weatherford.
Weatherford.
Okay.
I didn't know where we were going with
I
that.
had no idea either.
But thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, y'all. We're heading back to Texas.
Thanks for watching, y'all.
We're headed back to Denton. And we had a great time checking out Weatherford, Texas today. We hope y'all enjoyed it as well.
Yep. Bye. Bye. Perfect.
Don't get hit by this Corvette.
Bye.
Bye, y'all. Thanks for watching. We hope you had a good time. We had a good time. And that's all that really matters.
Yep. See you next time.